Today, I'm going to show you how to make miso soup. Miso soup is a traditional Japanese homemade dish that people commonly eat in their daily lives. The recipe varies depending on each family. We put a variety of vegetables like onions, carrots, eggplants, and even tomatoes or cabbage. Today, I'm going to make two different kinds of miso soups using common ingredients. Here are the ingredients. The ingredients are also listed in the description below. Here are different kinds of miso or soybean paste available in the USA. Korean soybean paste is darker in color and smells stronger than Japanese miso. When you make miso soup, you will use Japanese miso. Red miso is commonly used in the Kanto area or east side, while white miso is commonly seen in the Kansai area or west side. Dashi or bonito soup stock is a Japanese soup stock. Hondashi is the most common brand. If you are a vegetarian, Chinese mushroom seasoning is a good alternative. First, I'm gonna make miso soup with tofu and seaweed. Add 2 teaspoons of dried seaweed to the water. When choosing tofu, you basically have 3 options: silken, hard, or soft tofu. Silken tofu is the softest tofu that can be melted in your mouth and easy to break. Today, I'm going to use silken tofu. Cut 1/4 of the silken tofu into small pieces. Cut green onions into small pieces. Add 2 cups of boiled water to a pot. Add 1 teaspoon of dashi or mushroom seasoning. Add tofu and seaweed and cook them on medium heat for 1 minute. Turn off the heat and dissolve miso in a ladle. Next, I'm going to make potato spinach miso soup. Cut potatoes into small pieces. Add 2.5 cups of cold water to a pot. Add potatoes. When cooking root vegetables such as potatoes, carrots, and radishes, cook from cold water. Cook them with high heat for 10 minutes. Check if the potatoes are cooked. Add 1 teaspoon of bonito soup stock or mushroom seasoning. Add spinach. Cook with medium heat for 1 minute. Turn off the heat and dissolve miso in a ladle. Garnish with green onions if desired. That's it. Delicious miso soup is ready. Enjoy! Thank you for watching my video. Requests are welcome. Please write them in the comments.